How it be?
Oh my God, I gotta cough and sneeze. Bitch, I hate doing this shit in public. Fuck. Because if a motherfucker say something to me, I'm gonna wanna smack him, but I hate when somebody else cough and sneeze in public. And this motherfucker's in here with no fucking mask on. Oh my God, here it come. Shit. Oh, bitch, this lady just big sneezed in here, like, ma'am, not you took the motherfucking mask down to sneeze and now it's in the air. Oh, bitch, did you just fucking see that? I'm getting the fuck up out of here, these nasty ass people. And I did. It's just like a fart, bitch. I'm never gonna hold it in if it gotta come out. Take me back to the days when bitches said bless you, cause yeah. And if your dusty ass had a mask on, you wouldn't worry about my sneeze being in the air, would you now, bitch? Exactly.